So I gapped it again. This time I went wide enough to where I couldn't get the plug inserted, and then I squeezed the gap down to where I just could get the plug inserted. And so far that's the tightest it's been yet. Let me go ahead and turn on the power supply. And I'll plug this back in. Okay. I'll turn the heat roller on. And we're at try that again. Okay, it's not getting power. Okay, now it's getting power. Heat roller's all the way turned up. We're at 77 watts, 76 watts. Wiggle it, we're at 81, 61, 0. And actually it feels tight, and I mean it's got less wiggle than it did yesterday, but it's still just enough to drop that. Now we're down to 5 watts, 0 watts, and typically what's happened is when now it's going back up to 25 watts, so it is reconnecting. Before it would just go off, and then it would stay off until I either unplugged it, or sometimes if I turn the heat troller all the way off and turn it back on, I would start to get heat again. Now we're back up to 76 watts. And we'll do it again. Down to 40 watts. Down to 0 watts, and that's just from wiggling the cord. Now we're at 15 watts, 21 watts, 19, 24, and then we just jumped up to 76 just by touching it. So I can't re-gap it again. I've gone as wide as I possibly could. So at this point I think it probably is just going to have to be replaced.